As WWE Rocks 2423, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And as you can see, I'm in my bathtub. So I noticed that the first bath challenge that I did got a lot of views, and so I think I should do it again. So yeah, comment down below right now what you think I will be filling my bathtub with. Yeah. Alright, so before I start, I gotta show you this. I made this. It's of my dog. See the nose, the eyes, and the ears. And yeah. Now I will fill my bathtub with the surprise. Alrighty, so I've got my stuff. And yes, it is squishies. No, it is not going to fill the whole bathtub, but who the heck cares? We've got 48 squishies here. And yeah, some of them I haven't even shown on camera. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully that's a good angle. It should be, but I will show you guys. First off is this panda. Second off is this waffle. I want it from Stacker. It's like a waffle, and it's like a cat-shaped head with a bow. Then we've got pizza. We've got an ice cream cone, a jumbo. We've got one purple owl and one pink owl. And then I got this poop, pink poop. Then I got a big poop. And then I got this whoopee cushion, this polka dotted jumbo cake, popcorn, cinnamon roll, this purple and blue cupcake. That's really squishy. It doesn't really smell like anything. This banana, taco, donut box. I got hamburger cat. I got bread. I got a penguin. I got a snail, an apple, a unicorn, an eyeball, a cheeseburger, a hot dog, this mermaid thing which I got from a blind bag. I got this cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's, a mini donut, 2 bigger donuts, a bagel, a football, cake, dinosaur, another cake, Galaxy Panda, regular panda, egg or Gudetama egg, a small slice of cake, a golden tooth, a turtle, a piñata, a butt or a peach, a ice cream cone, a strawberry, this slice of cake, and my favorite is this chicken. And yes, sorry that took so long, but I actually have 48 squishies in here right now, and I'm hoping to get some more at Walmart today when we go, so then I can maybe end up filling this whole thing. But yeah, if I get 10 likes on this, I'm gonna hopefully get something really awesome to put in this and fill it to the top, like cheese balls or something. So 10 likes, and I do that, and yeah. I'm gonna do a cannonball. I didn't actually want to do one, because it would have hurt like heck. Well, you know, we're gonna do it for the views. For all you people watching, we're gonna do this. That feels so good when you just walk on them. And actually, when we go to Walmart, my friend Zach is over. So go subscribe to his channel. If you do, that would be amazing. Maybe I'll send you something or something. But Zach has a YouTube channel, ZM Videos, or no, you can just type in ZM Videos. And then, well, I think that's Zach right now, actually. Hold on. I'm here with ZM Videos, Ninja Zach. Ninja Zach. Subscribe to his channel or else I will find you and never mind.
Skinny Zach.
that one. Zach. So, oh, my dog got this ball and that one over there.
That one. How long have you had these balls in here?
A long time.
Is this all the balls?
Yep.
Is this yours, balls?
These are all the balls, man.
All the balls?
All the balls.
All the balls in the world?
Oh, oh, my neck. No, I wish these were all the balls in the world. That would be kind of cute. There's a bug. Bug, get out. I'm making a video. Gosh. Why do bugs always want to be in my videos?
What'd you do with the bottles?
What?
What'd you do with the bottles?
We had to throw them away. For nothing. Oh, you hit the camera. Oh. All right, so like I was saying before, you need to go subscribe to his channel because he's letting me use this camera. I mean, who does that for a friend? This guy does. Subscribe to him. I have 100 subscribers, 118. You all have to go subscribe right now or I will end this video right now. All right?
Well, how do you know?
Well, when I
live streaming right now?
when I post this, bud,
If you guys don't subscribe right
we'll
now,
find you.
we'll delete this video.
Yeah, we'll delete this video. And we'll come egg your house. I'm kidding. But you know what I'm gonna do for the boys? What? You know what I'm gonna do? Oh yeah, and Claw Boss, if you're watching this, no, you need to comment down below and tell me if you sent my plush. Just because I want to know. I hope you're not lying. I mean, I don't think you would lie, but would you? I don't know. So just comment down below. But yeah.
I'm just kidding, Claw Boss. Not a jerk.
You're an amazing person. And yeah, if you guys aren't already subscribed, go subscribe to his channel. He does claw machine videos and stuff. But yeah. So what am I gonna do now?
You're gonna do a front flip.
Yeah, ready? Whoa! Jeez, did you see that?
Yeah, let me try it. Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Here, dude, should I do a backflip right now?
Backflip.
Oh, jeez. That was crazy. You thought I was gonna do a backflip. You know, you thought. And you know what? You were right. Hold this.
Sorry about the lighting.
I think I'm dead. Oh. I landed hard on my freaking neck.
For the boys.
Guys, I'm dying. Guys, I'm dying.
Lions are dead.
Zach might have to take over my channel.
Rest in peace, Vine.
Oh. I'm dead. Did you just fart?
No. That was a ball that got crushed.
Excuses.
It's not even.
That's
not.
I know, I'm kidding.
I was doing this.
Do a front flip for the boys.
For the boys?
If he does not do a front flip, then he.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
But we can't land flips because we suck at life.
I've been so close.
Well, I just freaking landed on my neck.
Landed like this and it just fell over.
Same with me.
This is gonna suck.
Just do it, man.
This is gonna hurt.
Do it, otherwise they'll unsubscribe to your channel. No, I'm kidding.
Oh my gosh. Get me away from this.
Just hurry up!
I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go.
Just do it.
Go for views.
Yeah, for the
I
views.
want 100 views on this video.
Yeah.
If you don't
Just,
get 100 views, we're gonna delete this video. It's gone.
but give me 10 likes and we will do another bath challenge.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, like, yeah! Gucci flip-flops!
I would do a better one, but ow, my butt.
What should we do?
Is it pause?
No.
Story time. I walked downstairs, sat on the couch, I farted, I snorted. That's the truth.
You snorted? What?
I snorted. Wait,
You sharted?
are you filming?
No.
Blind.
No? What do you mean? Just to land the balls?
You filming right now?
No.
There you are.
Just to land.
You wouldn't say that. Ow! Stop!
I am filming. Zach likes laying on balls, he said.
Are you actually?
Yeah, I'm actually.
Let me see.
See?
Oh. No, this is actually like.
I like. I hope I got that on camera. Dude, your reaction. You're like, oh. You look like you were taking a crap. Trying.
Yeah, with my hand up on my head. Stop! 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 Hold on.
War. This. Hold on.
Hold on.
This means war.
No! Stop!
You're throwing back at me. Ow.
Does that hurt?
A little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Do, 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 do. Hey, Sack, what's your favorite song?
I don't know. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
What's yours?
Uh,
Your mom?
I don't know. My mom's not a song. She's a human, though. This means war.
No, stop.
This means war. I'm missing. This means war. This means war.
Alex is beating me up.
This means war.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, I actually am.
Stop! Stop, Lexi.
What?
I'm joking.
Huh?
I was talking.
This means war. Boom!
I was joking. I was talking.
DDG.
Was
How does that feel?
Gucci.
Gucci flip flops.
Gucci flip flops. I don't know what to say.
Hey, who's your dad?
Little pump.
You wish. I'm kidding. His dad's Little Pump.
Little pump.
And who's your sister?
Little Tay.
Oh my lord. Dying.
Little pump says a little pump. Then you go to a little pump. Then you go to a little pump. Then you go to a big pump. A big pump. That's
What now? Are you sure you're fine?
no.
Oh, okay. 360! Dang it.
360 no scope.
Oh.
I didn't hit you that hard.
Oh.
What if I went like
Oh.
360 no scope? Why not fall? Fellow.
Oh. Oh.
Dude, my face. I got 2 yellow balls. I'm not afraid to use them.
Me too.
Whoa! I swear, the next time a bug tries interfering with me, I'm gonna fight it.
What bug?
I'm gonna fight it. I'm gonna beat him up. Ick! That thing was on my ear.
Ew.
Looks like Zach.
Little pump.
360! I hit him in the tush. So yeah, 10 likes, we'll do another bath challenge, and
A big tank.
you know what else we'll do, Zach?
What?
We'll go to Walmart.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We'll Walmart for the views. I'm kidding.
What? We're not going to Walmart?
No, we are.
For the views.
Donkey. Comment down below what your favorite animal is. Zach's is his mom. Hey Zach,
What?
you know what?
What?
We should go to Walmart now.
Yeah, right now.
All right. Like
See
this
you guys
video.
there.
Like this video. Subscribe. Comment. Subscribe to mine and his channel if you haven't already. ZM videos. My
Yes.
channel. Right now.
Yes.
We'll find you.
Yes.
All right.
Bye.